Sweetie, you are very sweet. Sweetie, man, sweetie, what I went to say. Oh, look at the way the prince was saying, whine me, oh, kill me. Sweetie, you are too much. You don't waste them, adore. You say, come get me, roast me, oh, choke me, suffocate me. Oh, sweetie, oh, he jumped me. Oh, I am very sure that the prince likes me so much right now. Because by the time he go to sleep, he go to think of sweetie, he go to chat, he go to think of sweetie. Every day of his life, he go use to think of sweetie because I don't make in a Mendora, a Brangada, Stada. Hell! Jesus! Look at that stupid Adama. He thinks he could feel as smart me. I didn't tell me to the open breast, the open yash. I just grab what I want. And that is it. I'm in a very good mood tonight. Dear me. Is she in? Hey, check for this stupid girl. She's not in the kitchen. Hey, let her know be that this girl has outsmarted me. Let her know be that she has taken a whole step ahead of me. Oh, Adama, why? Why did you not think ahead? Hey, this girl over too. This girl has dealt with me. Hey. I don't even know if I should walk out. I don't want to hear that.
Hey. Oh my God. Did I just make her with the cook? Damn. This girl is so sweet. She's so sweet. Like her name, sweetie. Hey, forget you from this girl, sweet die. She never dry water. How does the rush where? Damn! See service now. First time in my palace. A great welcome with good sex. Good meal. Damn! Oh no. I'm not going back to the UK anymore. I'm not going back anymore. I'm gonna be here. I wish you would just give it to me. Eh? I feel so good right now, man. I feel so good. Sweetie, you're fucking good. You are real good. I give it to you.
How long will this continue? How long will the truth be hidden? How long? If our one is one day I'll be different.
Somebody should help you!
If our one is one day I'll be different. One day, just one day. is like pregnancy that can never be covered.
Hello, Grandma. What are you thinking about?
Nothing.
Are you okay? I hope the guards did not assault you in the palace. They did not. Okay. I just wanted to know why you are this moody. Let me leave you.
How long will this continue? How long? How long? How long will it? Who is in charge? Echena. Here come getting man. Echena. Echena che 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 way off ma. Echena che 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 way off ma.
Jesus. Hey. Hey, no, sorry. Satan. Hey, Satan bad. Satan bad, it's too bad. This girl, what do they call Udake Bonge? Na machine. Hey, is he whining? Wow, you won't kill me. Wow. Jesus, Igwe, they enjoy pa. Hey! Igwe, this is where Igwe they chop. We they chop them together. Jesus, sorry, Satan. In the Bible, you call it good night. Hey! Oh, bongo. Huh? Oh! Nobody there. Jesus.
Nige isa kasara uba. Oh, ke panke nige isa. Oh, kasara uba. Oh, nige isa. Oh, kasara uba. Okay, nige isa. What are you not doing like that?
Open, sweetie.
Igwe. This one a very big rich so the bar is full now and roll around.
Where were you? I came here before. I didn't see you.
We have in the kitchen, have in the cream, the press.
Are you sure you are telling me the truth?
Jessica, I don't feel right if you.
It's all right. How did you go with Echena?
I tell him, I could give him plenty food for the Paris with plenty meat.
Poison him. Poison him. Put poison in his food. Make sure you do it during breakfast. So, since he will be traveling, he will eat it. It will digest well. When he get to his father's house in the evening, he will be dead by then.
Yeah, he could never kill anybody for my life before.
Listen, do as I said. Do it fast. He has been blackmailing us. He has been blackmailing me. Very soon our little secret will be open. Kill him.
Jessica.
Very good. Before I leave, please come and do it with me. You know, I've been feeling it since I've been missing you. Do it.
What do I do?
Again, I said you look good. I love the outfit.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Let me go to the palace since the gate man asked me to come.
Don't worry, you get the job. I only pray for you.
He said,
Let me see you off.
Okay. You sure look good.
You keep asking. You look good.
This love is genuine. They are in deep love. Fafala wefananya. No matter what you do, you can't separate them at all, at all. Oh, they be lovers, leave them alone. They be lovers, they don't love themselves because of money. No be because of they be lovers, they love each other. They don't love themselves.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, my princess. How are you? How is your father?
Fine. My name is Oluebube. You keep calling me a princess. I am not a princess.
But you are a princess now. You don't even know it. Come and touch my stomach. I want my baby girl to get married to a prince or a king. I want royalty in my lineage. Come and touch my stomach with your royal hands.
Mama Norika, which one is that should come and touch you?
As you speak, the crown of a princess is on your head. Yes, I can see it. You are a princess. Come and touch my stomach. Bye-bye. Bye.
Yes, Papa. Mama Norika, the pregnant woman, you know her now.
I don't know anything about what that woman is talking about. We are not royals. And you know, that woman is possessed by some strange spirits from the river. You know that too well.
Papa, are you telling me the truth?
Do you want to start your madness this morning?
I know why I'm saying this. The dream. And she's not the only one that calls me a princess. Even Jegede, the village madman, he calls me our princess. I don't understand.
Jegede, the village madman, calling you their princess. I hope you are not princess of mad people. See, Oluwabibe, all I need you to do now is go back to the house. Stay in the house. Stop coming out here to make trouble for me. Oh, go back to the house and remain there unless I invite you. Don't come out here. Go.
Papa, you see, one day, I will leave that house for you. Bet me. Bet me.
What is wrong with this thing? What is wrong with her? I need fuel. Oluwabibe. Ebube, come, go buy me fuel. Ebube!
This is my daughter. You'll be her driver. You'll resume work tomorrow. And you report to work every 6 a.m. in the morning. Then you close by 7 p.m. Then you can go home.
That's all right, Your Majesty.
Oh, no, Dad. I mean, that will be strenuous. Omucha's kingdom is very far from here. And we have staff houses around the palace. He can stay in one of them. Besides, I might want to club at night and he won't be there. So you see, let him just stay. Young man, what's your name again?
My name is Afana Collins.
Afana Collins. Okay.
But my husband, he doesn't look aged like you said.
Well, at first I didn't take a closer look at him. But all the same, no problem.
Is this not the same man that was here yesterday whom you walked out of the palace?
He is. I later changed my mind. You know, young men, they need jobs and I had to oblige him. So I considered him.
Okay, let me take it from here. So, I will be showing you your official house. My husband, please come.
Same to me.
Well, we can't conclude yet. We'll keep our fingers crossed.
It's fine. Hey, see, I am ready. The princess will be eating him.
That princess, she will eat him in the morning, in the afternoon, even in the night. Because now I'm seeing her now, what is doing like we electrified.
Oh, he's very fine. Hi. How I wish I could Look at this one. You need somebody they calm down, like be calming down. You and I know that we don't have love in this palace. Besides, wait though. What of your Baba Dikeh? Palace guard, a palace man.
If they catch us, they catch us.
What? Please stop that. Are you insulting my man or what? Please not stop that.
You have a boyfriend in this palace, and you're already tripping for one driver that Igwe just employed today. Shireen, calm down. Calm down.
Calm down. I'm just saying my man. That I said it does not mean that I want him. Wait. Where the mind been there? Kiri prison.
No, that she used 1.5 to go be laugh.
This girl. Get us a body to give you.
So, welcome to your room. I hope you like it.
Yes. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And you don't need to go back to your village to get anything. As my driver, I am going to provide you with anything that you need.
Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome. And you have a beautiful voice.
Thank you, my princess.
It's okay. So let's go put your driving skills to a test. And you must know one thing. I love speed. Fast. And furious. Come on, let's go.
You can't be beautiful and dumb at the same time.
What is it? What is it? Is it by force to talk to a stranger? Is it by force?
I'm sorry if you're in your bad days. Actually, my name is Shibike. I'm going to a weak kingdom and I had a flat tire, so I'm actually looking for a vulcanizer around here. I don't know if you can help me, please.
Flat tire?
Yes, you can come and see if my back tire is flat.
No problem. My father is a vulcanizer.
Wow, that's really good.
So I'll just direct you to his place. When you get there, he will attend to your flat tire.
I hope it's not far from here.
A bit far, but once you get to the junction, it's easy to locate his place.
I'm sorry if I'm asking too much. I think it's more better you take me there. Instead of you directing me to your father's place. Please.
Don't you enter your car?
I think it's more better, please. Okay. So your name is Oluebube?
Yes, sir.
What do you do for a living? Are you a student or?
No, I'm done with school. Secondary school. Oh.
Okay.
And my boyfriend has enrolled me in fashion designing class. And I love him for that.
I see, that's good. You're beautiful.
Thank you. My boyfriend and my father always tell me that. And I know that I'm beautiful.
It's okay, I just fancy to have a cool talk with you. I'm not interested about you telling me your boyfriend do this and your boyfriend do that.
My father is here. Papa, I brought customer for you.
See, my tank is almost empty. You're supposed to have bought this fuel before going back to the house. You are becoming too stubborn these days. Huh? I don't like it. My son. I'm sorry I went to buy fuel.
I have a flat tire and your daughter brought me here.
Okay. I'll take care of your tire.
Papa, I'm going.
Won't you wait for me?
No, we're not going the same way. If you drive straight, take your left. Straight down is Oru Kingdom. Your kingdom. Me, I'm going this way.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your time.
Okay. I'll soon come back for lunch. My daughter Oluobibe. She's a very good daughter. My only child.
I think I like her.
Everybody like Oluobibe. Though she's very stubborn. Very stubborn. She only listens to one man. And that one man is Afanna. Afanna has been her childhood friend.
It's okay. In months to come, I'll become the king of Oru Kingdom. I don't understand these feelings I'm having immediately I saw your daughter. It's more like a feeling like we're matched. I can't place it. But it's not a feeling to rubbish her or take advantage of her. No, no sir.
In months to come, you'll become the king of Oru Kingdom. When the king of Oru has a son, how is that possible?
Don't worry sir, I'll tell you some other day.
I would like to hear that story. It's a story I would like to hear. Because I know that the king of Oru has a son and a daughter. And the man is still very healthy. And in Oru Kingdom, their kinship is not rotational. No, it's a birthmark.
Like I said, it should be a story of some other day. Before I forget, how much is your money?
500.
Okay. Alright, thank you very much.
Hey, he's a big man. 6,000. Nkiruke na fukwa 6,000 naira. A job I did, just 500 naira job. I told him 500. And he counted 6,000 and gave to me. I got to give him Hey. Aye.
Don't you like what you see, my friends? I'm going to give you all in a platter. My prince, I need your kiss. I need your love. You're mine. Let me explore your body.
Good morning! Breakfast in bed! My prince, breakfast in bed first or breakfast?
Adama,
My prince.
can you excuse me? Hey, drop the breakfast. Yeah, just drop it and leave, alright? Go.
Excuse me.
My prince. Don't bring me into confidence. You want to cheat on me, Abby?
No, I didn't do that. She was only trying to seduce me, that's all. You know I can't cheat on you. Yeah.
I'm going to punish you today with knacking.
You can do that?
Yes.
Uduak. Look, this is just water. By the time I use acid on you, you will learn to live.
Arama, you pour me water and I will do it over and over again. This is just water!
The next time you step into my lane, now acid I will just pour you rubbish.
Ikwe must hear this.
Can you calm down? Calm down. After all, you employed this young man. Huh?
They went out since morning to God knows where. You see, my instinct never fails me. Something in me tells me that that boy is evil. I don't like his face. Yes, there is this mischievous smile on his face, always, showing you that he is evil. There is something sinister about him. I don't like him.
Really?
Yes, wonder why I employed him in the first place.
Then
Don't know
fire
who
him.
pushed me to employ him.
Then fire him. Yes, fire him and have peace. But my husband, if you ask me, I think that young man is a gentleman.
He's a gentleman.
Yes.
Somebody you are just meeting today, somebody you've just seen today, you are telling me he's a gentleman. In fact, I feel so uncomfortable in this house. Yes, I feel so uncomfortable being with him under the same roof. I don't like him. Let me be plain to you. I don't like him.
Can you relax?
Relax? Now your daughter, is she picking her call? She's not picking her call. It's not
Relax. Akunna. Akunna, where are you? Akunna, where are you? Why do you keep doing this? Huh? In a spa? For the past 4 hours? Akunna, what's your problem? Huh? You took that young man for a driving test like you said, and you ended up in a spa? Why do you keep behaving this way? Your father has been yelling. Yes, Akunna, yes, he has been yelling. My friend, will you come back here right now? Immediately. I said come back here now. I don't want to call you again. What nonsense. Can you imagine? She's already shopping. Look why I'm shopping.
Good work. I don't understand what you talk. Just tell me make I hear and well.
Show me see you no come understand wetin I talk.
I say you tell me something I don't understand. It's an abomination. Say I tell you make me understand. Na abomination.
I say make you tell Ikwe, say make Ikwe come on Aramma for that post.
No be Aramma, no be Aramma. Ada.
Aramma. Oh, yoy, na her name.
Na tongue na so you do.
I beg read that one.
So you
Me, I want make Ikwe come on that girl for that post. I don't want make sure they go that prince room again.
Sweetie. You just tell me the truth, make you shame the devil. You.
Jenna.
Hey, the prince you want. Maybe I check now. You want arrange the prince.
I beg read that thing, I beg. Maybe waiting I talk with that. I just want make Ikwe come on that girl for that prince. Because that girl just they use her yes, just they confuse our prince. You know, come they see with that things again.
Hayash.
Yes now.
But now you get ambassador and see everywhere. Hi, God. Now you get this thing. Why you say Prince could leave you? They tired. I'm all busy. Now you get everything everywhere. Yeah? Come, tell me the truth. Tell me, you want arrange Princess girl boss? you want
You do the talk off point, no? You come out for line. You talk off point.
Okay, fine. But I know why you won't say you won't make peace in me talk am. Upon the way you say you and Igwe day, they knock you.
Echelina, reduce your voice now.
Nobody. I don't see. I don't find I say nobody. Don't remember with the hair. Upon the way you and Igwe, they rasola, they knock Igwe, they knock you there. Why you see you don't use your mouth tell Igwe? It could be seen at me. It won't make I use my own mouth tell Igwe. Why?
Do you know say Igwe listen to you very, very well? And it come be say, since the day where you catch the both of us, it come the humble for your side. Now why I want make you carry your mouth, tell Igwe say, make that Arama come out for that post. The only thing I want make that girl do, they buy me salt and pepper. That is how. Jeez.
That was no problem now. Well, I know there. First say, see that one you give me. You won't finish me.
Stop now.
As you do, as you knock me, they ride me to a point. I come see, I can't see myself and I read.
Now behave they say.
No face. No problem.
Me, I don't get problem as long as you keep the one side of the bargain.
No, I don't get shish problem. I don't get shish problem. But wait, something. My instinct, you know me, you know who I be. Echena. I am from them more. I am a fool everywhere. See, my mind see the time he say, plus say you want chop Prince.
I beg read waiting the right for moto make it enter moto. You want chop, I mean you know want chop.
I want continuity.
Then do it for me tongue about.
Come! You know what? Idiot! This girl be Kalapa people. Hi! Na the mineral resources. She carry her. Hi! But wait, Cholo. So this dog war between Uduake Obonge and Adamana because of Prince. Oh, why talk? Hey, get you when I want. Hey, now we there now.
You see, I told you. You got the job. Congrats. I am so happy for you. So when are you coming back? Weekend? Really? You're going to be staying over there? Hey, that's not fair now. I'll be missing you. I'm so happy. I told you that. My spirit was telling me that you would get it. I'm so happy. Okay. Be a good boy, yo. I love you too, my love. Bye. Hey. Thank God.
Mama. So that was why I called you. So that you can come back and have a very crucial meeting with your father. Yes. You must understand that the crown must come back to this family. And you, crown prince of this land,
That was the agreement your father had with the present Igwe. They even took an oath to that effect in front of Ikuku. So you have to take this very serious.
Mama, I've heard you. Mama, there's this girl I saw on my way back to the village. Umwezin Kingdom, a kingdom very far from here. Her name is Oluebube. Mama, I can't stop thinking about her. Like, she's the daughter to a Falconizer.
Are you okay?
Yes, Mama, I'm okay.
Are you insane? We're here talking about how to bring back the crown to our family. You are telling me about one local champion. How about the beautiful girls or the classic girls in the city? Have they all flown away?
Mama, there's something about this girl. Like, I can't place my hands on it. Mama, I wish to make this girl my queen.
You are insane. You have gone mad. Now you will go to the city and bring me a very classy and beautiful girl. Or I'll get you one here.
I'm coming.
Where are you going to?
I'll be back before you.
Hey, you're going to this boy is not okay. He's not normal at all. Oh! Here we are talking about royalty. You are telling me about Vulcanizer's daughter, a local champion, a king in the making like you. Oh!
Now listen, young man. That I employed you to work as a staff in my palace does not confer you the authority to mess around my daughter. How dare you drive her off, spend endless hours?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. She said she needed to buy some things at the supermarket, and she also wanted to go to the spa, so I took her there and...
For what? To do what? Now listen, don't dare me. Don't dare me.
Dad, you know it's not his fault. You should be yelling at Akona, not him.
I don't
He only
care.
obeys instruction, that's all.
I said I don't care.
My king, please calm down. Okay? Please.
Be warned. Be warned. Get out of here. I said get out.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Father! Father! Father, where is she? Where is that bastard? Father!
Wow. What did they do this one? Where she they shout like dog when they release from chain. Now where she know say that girl don't go. Oh, uncles. Now where she know. Idiot. So we just did they shout like an animal. They won't round.
Where is my prisoner? Where is she? Where is the girl you ordered the guards to put deep down the cell? Where is she? Because I went there and I found an empty cell. The guard said you ordered her release. Why?
Oh, yes, I ordered for her to be released. You see, I did.
Father, why? Why? Father, that girl humiliated me. She almost fought me. She refused to acknowledge my presence as the princess. She called me a nobody right before you, and then you ordered her release. Why? Why did you stab me? Why must you hurt me this way? Father, you betrayed me. Father, why?
My daughter, I did not betray you. I discovered that girl is a daughter of nobody. She has nothing to lose. Absolutely. She does not want your time.
I don't care. I am going to find her. And I must get my own pound of flesh. I will find her.
No, you do not.
I will find her. That girl called me a nobody.
Which girl is she talking about? Did she have a fight with someone?
Is she not the daughter of that common, ordinary organizer of the street? I mean, it's needless fighting such a person. It's a waste of exercise. You see, my brother should relax because very soon you should be admitted into a psychiatric hospital.
Not my daughter.
That is what I don't want. Hey, you! Hey! Come on. Shut up, you.
Get going to the corner. Hey, come on, the corner. Let's go on.
You will go to your village today to see your sick mother.
Are you serious? Chideke, Igwe, God bless you. Igwe, thank you so much, Igwe. Hi, you will live longer.
You know you've been longing for such an opportunity.
Yes.
And now one has presented itself, and I oblige you.
God bless you, Igwe. You will live longer, Igwe. Hi, I am really grateful. Seriously grateful, Igwe. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Igwe. Hey, well, Igwe, I'm going to make a gate. If I go now, who will mind the gate?
Oh, no, don't bother yourself. One of the guards will take charge of the gate. Yes, pending when you come back. Not that he's going to stay there forever now. When you come back, you resume your duty.
Okay, when I enter, I come back. Hi! God bless you, Igwe. Hey! I just feel like that's
my husband, I don't understand. Are you giving him a leave or what? What do you mean by whenever he likes, he can come back?
Lord, I'm one.
My friend, 3 days is enough.
No. 2 weeks. 2 weeks is okay.
Allow this boy. This young man has been working in this palace for almost a year.
Yeah?
Yes. And just allow him this little opportunity to visit the parents and come back. That's all.
Then 1 week should be enough.
1 week. It's all right. It's about 1 week. Okay, Igwe. 1 week. Thank you, Igwe. Lolo, thank you. 1 week.
It's all right.
My prince, you will live longer.
Yeah, it's okay. You can go now.
Igwe.
What? Echena!
My father's drink? One love. What's that?
One love.
Echena, are you sure you're okay?
One love. Yes. One love now. We are one big family. There's this song that said, one love, keep us together. What that? It's our one love. Oh? Father, what was the meaning of that?
Yes, no.
He just took your drink.
Son, just allow him. Allow him. You can finish up the drink if you want.
Igwe. One love, sir. One love.
It's okay.
One love. One love.
I think I have paid you your salary.
Yes, Igwe.
And also I've given you some
pocket money. Igwe, thank you so much. You have tried. You will live longer, Igwe. Thank you, sir. But Igwe, please, I want to buy phone. And I won't buy iPhone. That type of Prince Kachi's own. So that I'll be a big boy when I enter my village.
My friend, will you shut that your dirty mouth? Are you mad? You want my kind of phone? An iPhone? Oh wait, you think this is a toy you can get in the market or what? Listen, let me tell you. The whole of your salary for 3 good years won't buy this phone. What kind of gate man are you? Wait, Dad, how come did you employ this nigga? I don't get it.
Why are you disturbing yourself? Why are you worrying yourself? If he has the money to get the phone, then he should get it.
Mom, just don't just say that. Again, what are you even saying? A common gate man using my kind of phone. That's an insult.
Nah, see, we are catching. We're not meant to. Forget about that. I'm wearing this atongato. Just because I'm the gate man here, you're not managing. Why will you be insulting me? No. You don't tell me to calm down. You promised me. You said anytime I kill thief, catch thief, kill thief, say you go buy me iPhone. Yeah? I don't kill 4 thieves, 4 criminals in the past 3 months where they never come back. Yeah? Now, I say, I buy for, see, 4 weeks go buy for me. That the type of Kachi's own car. I don't buy Prince Kachi. I don't Kachi.
Calm down. Have I said I will not buy you phone? Just go to your village, visit your mother and your people. Come back, I will get you phone.
No. My mind don't make up. See, I won't be big boy. Now that kind of phone I want. If you get this phone, that is that type of.
Are you mad? Why must it be my kind of phone? Don't you know where they say touchlight phone? You're mad. Do you need an iPhone? A common gate man like you. Do you know how much they sell an iPhone? Especially this one. Come on, man.
I said I will buy you phone, but not exactly this type. So calm down.
Kachi, did I say you should give me your own phone? I said the type of Kachi's own, not your own.
From here. In fact, Oga, I said get out. Get out. I don't say get out.
If you allow me to just one, you can't.
My son said you should.
I said get out. Get out from here. Kachi, stupid. I said get out. Can you imagine? This idiot wants to use my kind of phone. An iPhone. This little gate man.
Only you, now you, exclusive get man. You get man with the different. Who know you, never enter the palace. Now you the run things. This not the run you. Anybody wait up.
I don't bring your food, come, correct.
Thank you so much.
Echenna, why you never do waiting I tell you say make you do now?
Well, God, don't worry now. I think I know the last I go do.
But when you go wrong now, I hear say you go your finish very soon.
Come down, I never see you go now. Let me tell you, I go see you go. You understand? This one now yellow rice have been fried. See, yellow everywhere.
Now jollof rice.
Oh, jollof rice. Uduake. I better test this food.
Echenna, you know say this new driver I find where it ain't tell my eye.
My fair church I forget that way they talk. I know this trap what I tell you now. Test this food or some if I well. Test the food. No be bring them.
You say waiting.
Test the food. Also be say waiting. Which way you say waiting? You say come see you. Oh, okay. You look me. I be like I like as mugu. As an idiot, I be for your eye. Oh God, see. Yeah, as you see me now, I be all say. Madam na echana. I na force. I na feel more. So don't see me for this palace. I shall be something past everybody when they hear. Tell this thing, I say, come. If you not tell this thing, I go shout. If you not tell this thing, I go shout. I go shout. I tell you, I go shout.
When I begin to taste your food for this palace, I never taste anybody food before you say make a.
You know what? You go tell this one. Let me say you test and you go tell. If you not test, I go shout. And if I shout, because since one catch you on top of you, you the man. You cannot say the common. You the man. You come. That is it, bro.
Echenna, why did you call around? I will change the food. You don't spoil.
Come, bros. Come, hey, Uduake. Idiot. You go change the food. No, Bago. Look at this. Oh, now me won't kill. Oh, God go first kill you before. Then I care about.
What's going on, sir?
Can you imagine?
Sir? What happened?
No problem. Nothing.
I saw you having issues with the one of the maids.
Oh, no, nothing. We'll do it.
I know it doesn't concern me, but I hope all is well.
No. I like it the way you say it. It does not concern you.
Oh.
You are a good boy.
Sir, I want to thank you for helping me get the job.
That one is not a problem. It's nothing now. It's what we do for each other.
Thank you very much, sir. So I'm very surprised.
See. Make I tell you, you see this life. You see this life when you day. It is good for you to be very careful. You need to be careful. You get what they call extreme. That's forget say I did here where I go school. I know what I did. You that's extreme. That's extremely careful. You understand
Sir,
me?
yes.
You need to be very careful for this life.
Sir, in life we all need to be careful.
Exactly.
But sir, there's something bothering me. But first, I came to say thank you for helping me get the job because I'm very surprised.
Hey, you don't get
You're a gate man, and so sir, how were you able to get so close to the king that he does anything you want? So I'm still very surprised, sir.
What is that your name?
Afana.
Afanabi?
Yes.
Good. Just forget it. Not be everything you're supposed to know. You understand? You get certain things where you go see. Not be everything where I see. That man they talk. You understand? You get certain things where you go see. You could just day you are late. Make you just see them as you. You know that relationship as me and you. The pally way. Make you just see. Live like that easy. Not be everything you're supposed to know. You understand?
Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
It's okay.
I really appreciate this kindness of yours.
It's all right. No problem. You no get problem.
Sir.
No. You are doing well. Oh. You see the way they maintain this car.
Yes.
They do a license on your own.
Yes.
Now so you go one day you go get your own.
Thank you very much. Sir.
No, you are trying. Thank you.
But sir, what happened between you and the girl?
Oh gosh, then you are nah. No.
Sorry. Yes.
So if I leave it, I go enter me. Oh. See where from there. They come. Before you go hug me. I see. Come. Who block it? What happened?
Why this? Ejimi no go chop the food.
Why?
He say make I taste the food.
Did you taste the food?
God forbid, bad thing about say can do I want to right. I no create taste am, I no chop am. As I tell am say I no go chop the food. Now I begin one they shout, they call everybody, say me they come outside. Now I run up. I talk say the food spoil.
It's alright, go.
Just your eyes.
One day I'll get if I born one day I'll get
So you won't kill me. Chineke. Oh, now their plan to kill me. Okay. I will be careful now. I will be careful.
A lot. Afana, I love you. I love you so much. And I desire to have you. Look into my eyes. I know you can feel the burning sensation to have you. For now, I want us. And I am happy that you're gradually falling for me, and soon you're gonna be mine.
I think my phone is ringing. I can feel it vibrate.
Let it ring.